arrive at the woodworking shop, you scan your card to enter the facility, and then scan your card into the computer to verify your membership, keep track of your attendance, and which activity you plan on doing.
Welcome to the Sun City West Woodworking Club. We're one of about 100 custom clubs here in the compound. We have about 600 to 800 members depending what time of the year we are here. We have about 5,000 square feet of building. One is the power room where I am now, and the other is the assembly room that I'm in now. This is our crib area. This is where we keep our small equipment, everything from clamps to drill bits to power tools, handheld tools, pneumatic nailers.
Members may check out tools for personal use.
This is our lumber room. This is where we wholesale our wood to our members so they're not running back and forth to Home Depot and Lowe's to buy lumber. We carry multiple species so that they have a choice of what to build from.
Jim Casey. My job here at the Wood Club is I'm on the board, and I manage the education department of the club, which means I put together the classes, help coordinate the instructor activities. We talk about how much we charge for classes. I help with setting up the actual verbiage for classes. We've got about 25 to 30 classes that we have, and they are continuous throughout the year.
This is our CNC area, computer numeric controls. This is where we do all the artwork and machine work on computers, and then we allow the machines to do all the physical cutting. So these are our smaller mini lathes for smaller equipment that we turn. We also have over here our sanding area and our mills. This is our lathe turning area where we have a number of different kinds of lathes, including a sharpening station so they can keep their tools sharp. These are our planers and joiners. They're used to make thick wood thinner and crooked wood straighter.
A sample log was slabbed, planed, and routered.
of our newer pieces of equipment. It's called a Shaper Origin. It's a handheld operated CNC machine. This is our sanding alley. This is where we do all the cleaning up of our woodworking stuff. Everything from belt sanders to spindle sanders to plate sanders.
This blade will auto-stop and save fingers. Some woodworkers create pens.
This is our assembly room. After we're finished cutting things up in the machine area, we bring them out here and glue them up and refine them and eventually turn them into furniture.
This is a special projects area. These benches right here, those cabinets, we're pretty much to ourselves here. And whatever comes in the door, we'll try to fix or make, remake. And sometimes it gets pretty interesting what comes through that door.
The club creates a wide variety of finished products. The club works year-round to make Christmas presents for needy children.
These are our latest additions. These are our laser engravers that we've added. They're used for doing marking and doing sign work like we've done for the photography club.
I'm going to burn the Sun City West Photography Club sign. They have chosen the sign that's on the computer screen, and the wood for the sign to be printed on. Time for a break.